Senator Grace Poe is the top choice of Filipinos to be the next president. 25% of Filipinos will vote for her, according to the survey conducted by Pulse Asia 20 months before the 2022 elections. 4 other senators are on the list. Poe is closely followed by Senator Manny Pacquiao with a 23% rating. In third place is Senator Bong with a 20% rating. Vice President Leni Robredo lands in fourth place. Robredo is followed by Senators Ping Lacson and Cynthia Villar. Presidential daughter and Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte and former Senator Bong Marcos are also on the list. Manolo Quezon, a former presidential communications undersecretary, shared a snapshot of the confidential survey in a tweet.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.